Welcome to the Keto Meal Online. My name is Cyril Jr. and today we're going to be making the Zucchini Tuna Melts. If you like zucchini and you like tuna, this is the meal for you. And if you do like this recipe, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like, and let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need for this zucchini tuna melt is the first thing is you're going to need zucchinis. The recipe calls for 4 zucchinis, but I'm going to use 1 because it's just me. I'm going to be eating today. You're going to need a can of tuna. Today I'm using, you can get the plain tuna, but I'm going to use spicy. This one is spicy Thai chili tuna. You can use flavored tuna, but for this ingredient, I'm using this. But you could use the plain one if you like. You're gonna also need some mayonnaise or mayo. Just make sure it's full fat mayonnaise. It's gonna give you a richer flavor. You're going to need some celery, 2 stalks of celery. It will be good for this recipe. You need some. You're going to also need some cheese, shredded cheese. I'm using Parmesan cheese, but if you like, you could choose whatever cheese you like. It really doesn't matter, but just get the shredded cheese. It just makes it easier for you to prep the meal. And last but not least, you're going to need a bit of black pepper and a bit of salt. It's really just for flavor. Just you're going to use a dash of pepper and salt just for flavor. The first thing you're going to do with this recipe is preheat your oven to 400. So let's hit bake. We're going to set our stove to 400. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut the zucchini right down the middle. So let's go ahead and cut this right down the middle. Hope you guys can see this. Let's cut it right down the middle here. Make sure you watch your fingers when you're cutting this. You're going to open this up. Next, you're going to scoop out the middle here. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop this out. I'm using a spoon. Just scoop out just the middle part, just where the seeds are, so that you're able to put the tuna right down the middle. There you go. So you got that one, and then you have this one here. So go ahead, just take out the seeds, the part where the seeds are. There you go. Alright, so you have these two. You got your zucchini already, the middle taken out. Next, I recommend that you'll need to cut up the celery. I'm only using 1 celery. The recipe requires two stalks of celery, but I'm using 1 because it's just myself I'm going to be eating. So let's go ahead and cut this right down the middle. So cut there, and then we're just going to go ahead and cut these in small pieces. There you go. Next, you're going to combine all the ingredients together. So let's get the can of tuna. So we have the tuna here. Like I said, this one is flavored. I like my food spicy, so that's why I have the spicy tuna. So we're gonna just go scoop that inside there. Okay, there we go. Next, we're gonna be adding the mayo to your ingredients. This one, like I said, this one requires 2 tablespoons of mayo, but I'm just gonna use 1 because it's just myself. So just 1 tablespoon of mayo. So we're going to go ahead and add the celery into our mixture. So let's go ahead and add that to the mixture. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and stir it all around. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. So take a look. So it's almost like a paste. Okay. Next, we're gonna take the tuna mixture, and we're gonna put it right down in the middle. So where we scooped out all that, the middle of the zucchini, we're just gonna put it right down the middle. Okay. Okay, let's lean that up. Put it over here, and we're gonna take the rest of the tuna, and we're just gonna add the mixture to the tuna, to our zucchini tuna melt. All right, there we go. Next, we're gonna add some cheese to our tuna melt. So let's go ahead. Let's go get a spoon. I'm just taking. It recommends a half a cup, but I'm just gonna freehand it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of the cheese right on top of that. Like I said, this is a very, very, very easy recipe. So let's go ahead and add our cheese. Okay. So here you go. Put your tuna melt inside to the oven. Let's put that in for it. Alright. And then we're gonna set the timer for, let's put the bake time for 18 minutes. Okay, and let's wait. So there you go. So now we're end it. So let's cancel that. Let's go pull our tuna melt out. Looks good, huh? There you go. And there you go. As you can see, take a look at the zucchini melt. Look how good that looks. That smells good. I wish you guys could smell this. So you grab your plate. Make sure you put your gloves on because you're gonna burn your hand. Let's go ahead and put that on your plate. There you go. You got your tuna melt. There you go. Your zucchini tuna melt. If you like this recipe, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get any new recipes that I upload. If you also leave me a comment if you've tried a different can of tuna. I use spicy, which I love spicy. But if you use regular or anything else, let me know in the comment down below. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.